Hi, my name is Andy Cowell. I'm a trainer and a consultant in English language teaching materials, and I can't wait to come back to Mexico with my friends from Vicens Vives, who make the Black Cat readers available across the country. And I'm going to be coming out this month to meet schools and teachers in different parts of Mexico City and beyond to show how readers, actually graded readers, have a really important parallel place in any teaching curriculum. We often think there's no time for reading, even in our own lives, let alone the classroom, because we're so busy with course books and tests and workbooks and grammar. And actually, the evidence, research tells us for nearly 30 years that actually if we just move some of that to the side a little and put graded reading in the classroom and much more outside the classroom, despite what you think at the moment or what parents think, the language learning results are dramatic. And I'm going to show you how to implement programs like this called extensive reading. But we're also going to do reading skills activities, speaking skills, writing skills, how to use films, how to use readers with your course book. So I'll be out there. I can't wait to see you all. And we'll be looking at readers as much as we can and motivating your students to enjoy reading and learning English and enjoying English at the same time.